there are various kind of vapes. I think when I research, then vape come in like about 12,000 or something flavors. Okay, so strawberry, blueberry, so and 10,000 berries, and then there are fruity flavors. Then there are some umami flavors, so on and so forth. You name a flavor and you have a vape for it. So flavor cannot be. If I'm discounting nicotine at this point, I'm going to come to nicotine. So flavors cannot come like that. You have to add some flavoring agent for flavor. So all flavoring agents are aromatic compounds. All aromatic compounds contain certain things which are carcinogenic. So even if you discount, let's say nicotine, you are inhaling all the aromatic compounds which are going to be carcinogenic, not only for your lung. Those are aromatic compounds are going to be absorbed by your blood vessel and they will reach every part of your body. So they are going to be carcinogenic for every part of your body. At this point in time, I was not even talking about nicotine, but there is no vape which does not contain nicotine. All the vape contain nicotine, maybe in smaller amount, maybe in higher amount, but most of the vape contain high dose nicotine, not low dose nicotine. See, if you want to do smoking cessation with anything, the first and foremost thing we want to replace is nicotine. So vape has to contain nicotine, otherwise it will not help in smoking cessation. E-cigarettes or vape came in as a method for smoking cessation because people thought that not only you need to replace nicotine, you also have to replace feeling of smoking. So there should be something which you can hold in your hand in place of cigarette, so as to go for smoking cessation. But like everything else, it has also evolved, so as to speak, with flavors, with more and more additives. And also the devices have become smaller. Flavor devices become smaller. They don't have any smell. Nobody can discover a vape. It is as good as a pen drive, and nobody can differentiate a vape from pen drive. Now, less harmful nicotine cigarettes contain about 70,000 compounds. A cigarette will contain, which can be harmful for your body. Vape may contain less than 70,000, but that doesn't make it safer. That safer is actually a wrong word. You have to look at safe. It is definitely not safe.